I've been trying to get rich for a while now. Listen.
Knowledge.
Back in 2022, I started my journey.
Wow.
Listen, I know it's a long story. You can learn about that from the documentary that's coming out. Stay tuned for that.
Oh my gosh, it's a sneak preview of the documentary. What will you make of the time? Look at that! Flashing photos!
Or will you strive to truly live?
Hi, sisters! It'll be documenting the entire year process from January 1st to December 31st, so smash that like button, subscribe, stay tuned. You never know when it's gonna come out. Listen, about a year ago, you know, I learned about SMMA. I saw the Iman Gatsby video. I was like, your boy's not gonna be broke no more. That was a lie.
Look at this dude.
That was a lie. That was not true. I went really hard for a couple months, you know, but ultimately failed, and I made $0. Don't do what I did. Don't spend money if you don't have money. Who would have thought that one? The lessons I learned, I'm ready to put in place right now. I'm ready to go crazy. I'm ready to take all that information, put it in the input machine, straight like an output machine, know what I'm saying? So I guess what I'm trying to say is it's time to start a social media dropshipping. Social media service dropshipping agency. Can't be that hard, right?
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Okay. Let's get into the details. Okay, we're taking this serious. Okay, listen. I'm show some stuff up on the screen. Basically, this is what my day-to-day looks like right now. Over the past year, I took a step back from SMMA. I was like, this isn't making money. I saw this guy, Josh Lester. Not sure if you know who he is.
There are people making $10,000 Jeff Bezos doing this silly, stupid. Jeff Bezos.
Door to door, selling windows. I was like, I'm gonna do that. So when I did that, you'll see it in the documentary, I have a window cleaning business. It actually does pretty good. Almost just over $2,000 in one day in sales. But it's winter right now. Sales are low, not a lot of shit's happening. So I'm like, let me take this time, let me break it down. Let's start making some real dough, some real cash, some real monthly retainers. So anyways, with my free time, listen, here's a photo of my schedule. Boom. I wake up early in the morning, we're getting up 4 in the morning, we're going for a run, we're hitting the gym, we're coming back. Because I'm up early, I start working about 7 a.m., you know, get shit really going with the drop servicing business right now, different time zones. So I'm gonna have to be calling people from across the other side of the country where it's afternoon for them when it's morning for me. Let's get serious right now, okay? No more playing around, no more games. It's time to develop a plan, a route. Google Maps GPS, if you will. Follow me to the whiteboard. We're here, we're at the coveted whiteboard, baby. This is how we gonna make it. I'm gonna be honest, there's absolutely nothing on my whiteboard. This is completely for a theater dramatic effect. I already have actual viable information on here, and you bet your ass I'm not gonna erase it just for this 6-minute YouTube video that's probably gonna get 45 views. But in all seriousness, instead of SMMA, which is super saturated, you know, I'm not gonna be calling people trying to do their ads for $3,000 a month because honestly, business owners aren't that stupid anymore. So here's what we're gonna do. Basically, I'm going to be advertising and pitching 2 businesses that
I think we're gonna need a play-by-play replay on that one.
That I'm gonna take over their email marketing. I'm gonna develop that from scratch with them to help them go month by month. Number 2, I'm gonna help them with all their copy. So redoing their website copy. Also, any sort of marketing material that's being posted out by them, anything that's being printed, any typing, any copy. Every client is gonna sign a 3-month agreement. The first 3 months is one, getting their copy going, getting their email marketing going. After the 3rd month, we integrate Facebook ads running. You're gonna be paying me anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 a month retainer for that. After 3 months, if they want to continue, we add in Facebook ads and we turn it to $2,000 a month retainer. Not only just keeping the copy, but now adding the Facebook ads management into it as well. I'm gonna warm up these clients. I'm not just gonna charge them $3,000 out the gate. I'm gonna bring them in like an adopted child. I'm gonna warm them up. I'm gonna feed them, and then one day, I'm gonna drop the bomb on them, if you know what I'm saying. Now listen, today is only day 1. Well, that's kind of a lie. Today's day 1 of me actually documenting this. It's actually about day 5 of learning about this and getting it set up. So I already have everything set up. The best part though is that you guys are a part of the journey as well. So anything that you see or think that I can improve on, put it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. I'll reply to you guys. Maybe hop on calls with you guys. We can strategize together. We can plan shit together. You can build your SMMA, I'm gonna build my SMMA, we can help each other out, you know, make a community out of this shit. Who knows? Guys, and here's the best part. I'm not selling an education platform. I'm not selling, you know, e-learning. and I'm most definitely not selling you a course. So I got nothing to gain from you guys. This is just documentation. If anything, this is so I can show the IRS that I made no money so that they can't tax me.
In any news, you know, thanks for watching. Hopefully the journey continues. Every week we're going to be uploading more in-depth reviews on how things are going, how we're strategizing, and other than that, I'll see you guys next week. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe. Let's go.